Hi, guys, welcome back to Digibur channel. If you forgot your iPhone passcode and is stuck at iPhone unavailable or security lockout screen, or even an older iPhone is disabled, don't worry. This video will walk you through how to unlock iPhone without passcode and remove the screen lock issue, as well as the real truth about getting your data back to your phone. This iPhone unavailable fix guide applies for all iPhone and iPad models, including the latest one. First, let's clear something up, because a lot of videos are misleading you with secret emergency dial code to fix iPhone unavailable issue with no data loss, which in fact is only possible if you meet some requirements. Apple's security system is incredibly tight. Once you enter the wrong passcode too many times and your device goes into the unavailable mode, there's absolutely no way to remove the iPhone passcode without resetting the device. But don't panic. Erasing the phone does not mean your data is lost forever if you have an iCloud or computer backup. While we do have to wipe the forgotten passcode and bypass iPhone unavailable screen, we also show you later in the video exactly how to safely restore your data using your backups on the Transfer Your Apps and Data configuration screen. For now, let's look at your options to unlock an unavailable iPhone, with or without a computer. Okay, start with the easiest method that doesn't even require a computer. When iPhone says unavailable, look closely at the bottom right of the screen. If your device is running iOS 17 or newer, you will see the Forgot Passcode option. If you are running an older software version from iOS 15.2 to iOS 16, that button will say Erase iPhone instead. This is Apple's native, built-in way to fix unavailable iPhone without computer by erasing and resetting it directly from the lock screen. To use it, your phone must be actively connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular network, and you must know your Apple ID credentials. Go ahead and tap Forgot Passcode option. On the next screen, tap Start iPhone Reset. The phone will now prompt you to enter your Apple account password for logging out. Once you type it in, tap Erase iPhone option to begin resetting an iPhone that's unavailable or locked after forgetting the passcode. Wait for the device to wipe its internal storage, delete the forgotten passcode, and reboot as a brand new device. But what happens if you got iPhone unavailable no Forgot Passcode option? This is incredibly common in the event that the iPhone is locked out permanently due to 10 failed passcode attempts, or it has no internet connection. If the lock screen is displaying iPhone unavailable with no timer, and you don't see the Forgot Passcode button, don't worry. That's where our next methods of using a computer to unlock unavailable iPhone without passcode come into play. One reliable and foolproof method to bypass the lockout screen is using a professional tool called Appgeeker iPhone Unlocker. The software works seamlessly on both Windows and Mac, and is designed to unlock the iPhone without passcode or Apple ID. Whether you forgot the passcode, or are staring at the iPhone unavailable with or without a timer, security lockout, or disabled screen, the software features a streamlined interface specifically engineered to clear 4-digit passcodes, 6-digit passcodes, Face ID, or Touch ID loops, and bypass the lock screen in a few minutes. I've left the safe, official link for this iPhone unlocker down in the video description below, so you can download it and unlock your iOS device right now. To use it, download and launch the utility on your computer. From the main dashboard, select the Unlock iOS screen module. On the next screen, the tool prompts you with step-by-step guide to put your unavailable iPhone into recovery mode so it can be detected for resetting and erasing the passcode. The process varies from iPhone 8 or newer models, iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, and iPhone 6s or earlier models. To enter recovery mode, now, grab a high-quality USB or Lightning cable and connect your iPhone directly to the computer. Then, we take iPhone 13 and as example. Press and quickly release volume up button. Press and quickly release volume down button. Then, press and hold the power button. Keep holding it through the Apple logo until you see the computer icon and cable graphic appear on your screen. Once the software detects your phone, it will automatically read your exact iPhone model. Click Start Now button to download official Apple iOS firmware package matched precisely to your device. It's a massive file, but the software is optimized to run much faster and more stably than typical browsers or iTunes. Once the firmware download finishes extracting, Appgeeker will give you a security warning reminding you that this process will update your iOS version and delete the current on-device passcode data. To confirm that you want to proceed, click OK button, followed by Confirm Again button. Keep your device completely still and do not touch the cable. The software will take over, verify the firmware package, and drop it directly into your device, as well as unlock the iOS screen. Even your iPhone is unavailable without a timer. You'll see a progress bar matching on both your monitor and your iPhone screen. This entire automated step takes about 10 to 15 minutes. When the progress bar hits 100%, Appgeeker iPhone Unlocker will let you know the device is fully unlocked without knowing the passcode. Your phone will restart, and you'll be greeted by the hello screen. Swipe up to begin the standard device setup, and eventually, you're able to get into your unavailable iPhone again. Another computer-based solution to fix iPhone unavailable is to enter recovery mode and restore the device via iTunes or Finder. Okay, turn off your phone completely as you did normally. Then, plug your cable into the computer. Next, plug the other end into your iPhone while pressing a certain button to force the iPhone into recovery mode so the computer can communicate with it. For iPhone 8 and later, press and keep holding the side button until you see a black screen transition into a computer icon and a cable symbol. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and keep holding the volume down button until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 6s and older models, press and keep holding the home button until you see the recovery mode screen. As soon as your phone enters recovery mode, iTunes or Finder will automatically pop up with a message saying there is a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored, along with two choices, update or restore. Clicking update will not remove your passcode. It will only reinstall the operating system while keeping the lock screen active. Since you need to unlock iPhone unavailable when forgotten the passcode or locked out permanently, choose Restore. After that, click Restore and Update. Agree to Apple's terms, and iTunes will begin downloading the latest software firmware file online. This file is large, usually between 7 to 10 gigabytes, so depending on your internet speed, it could take anywhere from 5 minutes to an hour. If, during the firmware download process, your iPhone exits the recovery mode, simply wait for the download to complete, then re-enter the recovery mode and click Restore again. When the download finishes, your iPhone will restart into a screen showing an Apple logo and loading bar, meaning it's reset itself to factory settings, removing the screen passcode you've forgotten, and fixing the iPhone unavailable issue. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Do not touch or wiggle the cable during this time. Once the loading bar finishes, your iPhone will start fresh as a brand new phone. The passcode has now been successfully removed, and iPhone unavailable problem has been fixed. Go through the basic setup steps. Select your language, region, and connect to your Wi-Fi network. Set up your Face ID and a new lock screen passcode. Eventually, you will land on one of the most important screens, transfer your apps and data. Apple provides several ways to bring your data back to your iPhone by restoring from any available iCloud backup, Mac or PC backup, or even another iPhone or Android device. Unfortunately, if you don't have a backup anywhere, choose Don't Transfer Anything to start with a fresh slate. Then all data will be deleted and cannot be recovered. Most often, iCloud backup may be enabled automatically, so you can tap from iCloud backup, log in with your Apple account and password, and then choose a recent backup to kick off data restoration. And just like that, we are back into the iPhone. The iPhone unavailable screen is completely gone, and your passcode is reset. If this guide helped you recover your locked device, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more honest tech education, and drop a comment below letting me know which iPhone model you successfully unlocked today. Thank you so much for watching, stay safe, stay informed, and I will see you all in the very next video.